Assalamu alaikum, dear audiences. I am Selim Reza, welcoming you to my YouTube channel English Practice with Selim Reza. Dear viewers, today I have come to my dear town Shirazganj, and now I am showing you an important place, and you are watching that I am standing very near to a bridge. Dear viewers, this bridge is very important and very historical. It is known as Katherpul. Dear viewers, you can see the image of Katherpul. It is a bridge, but dear viewer, you are watching, you are looking at the scenery, but it is not a bridge of wood. Dear viewers, it is called Katherpul. It is a historical name. I think once upon a time it was built with wood, but actually now the bridge it is not made of wood. Now you are looking from the northern side, and dear viewers, I will show you the vehicles passing over the bridge over Katherpul. Dear viewers, you are interested, I think, to know about many things, about many places. Dear viewers, this Katherpul links Kajipur Upazila to Shirazganj district town. It is very important pool for the especially people of Kajipur. Now you are looking, some vehicles are passing over the bridge. Some passers-by are also passing the bridge. Dear viewers, now you can see that a big truck is passing over the bridge. Dear viewers, the people of Shirazganj all know this bridge. This is a familiar bridge, and especially it is also known to the people of Kajipur, because no person can be found who does not know the name Katherpul. Whenever we go to Dhaka city or we come to Shirazganj, we always use the very word Katherpul. So it has also historical importance. Dear viewers, you are looking now the center place of Katherpul, and I will inform you that you are looking at the southwestern part of Katherpul. This road links with Raiganj and Tarash Upazila. This is very important. You are looking many vehicles standing here. From this road you can go to Tarash and Raiganj Upazila, and through this road you can go to Kajipur Upazila. It is very important road for the people of Kajipur. I have a lot of memories passing over this bridge, and this is called Katherpul, but this is not made of wood. Dear viewers, through this side, this southern side, you can enter into Shirazganj town, and now you can see this side links with the entrance of Shirazganj town, and there are a lot of shops, different vehicles, different office, and many other shops are available here, and you can buy many things from here, especially in the evening. Dear viewers, now I am showing you another bridge. It is very near to the Katherpul. It is also called Katherpul. It is newly built. It has been built few months ago. But you are looking at the bridge. It is very beautiful, very long. And another thing, I will inform you that both the Katherpuls have been built over Katakhali Canal. Katakhali Khal, the local name of Sirajganj. And dear viewers, this bridge, this Kather bridge is very long and very strong. It has been built maintaining or using modern construction facilities, and this bridge has been built especially to maintain the traffic system. Especially, you know that from here 2 kilometers roads are 4-lane highway, so it is very fine bridge. But it is also called Kather Pul. It is built on the eastern side of the Kather Pul. And now, dear viewers, you are looking the scenery of Katakhali Khal. This is very magnificent. It has been made clear by the Pouro Authority, Municipal Authority of Sirajganj, and it is also the symbol of clearance, clear environment of Sirajganj. I welcome through my channel to the Sirajganj Municipal Authority. Dear audiences, dear viewers, I hope that you all are enjoying my video from Kather Pul. Another vehicle is passing, and for the construction of this very Kather Pul, the traffic system here has become very smooth and very fine. Before construction of this bridge, there was traffic jam, huge traffic jam. And dear audiences, I hope that I will request, and I think that the authority, Road and Highway Department needs to think about of constructing a foot-over bridge here to maintain the traffic, because thousands of people and hundreds of vehicles pass through this road every day.